come again for this our entertainment news. So if this one are the first time one they watch this our video, I beg when you do well to subscribe, and if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that all our news go they enter your phone as if na text message. This our news channel, not be them say this one I see am for yourself, make you hear am for yourself. And don't forget to they like and share our videos, and also they drop your comments. We want think wetin you think, we want know wetin you think when I talk like that concerning all the matter where they are writing for this our news channel. Anyway, my people, for this our entertainment news, we want to talk about our Nigeria Zazu. We all know Portable now, our Zazu master. He come out on the thank God, say thank God for a life. Say nothing happened to Raul because in they involved for one ghastly motor accident. He come out to thank God, say something not happened to Raul. Say it better say he motor damage pata and he dey strong, they are alive. Say na that one he prefer 100 times. Say he forget say the motor dey expensive because according to wetin I hear, that motor cost about 250 million. He said where the money for come out for am to buy motor. Say another one go come for am to buy the one wey even big pass that one. Say that person wey dey alive, they get money to take buy motor. Say also wey he do wey take buy that motor, say the also go still pay am. He go still buy another motor. He shall come and just they talk, they say if they speak Yoruba, they chat, talk one or two things, say if they grateful, say you never do anything not happen to her, if they healthy, if they strong. My people, I go play una the video, make una hear wetin him talk. Make una watch this video till the end.
You will buy me that one, go buy me another one. I just buy new, I like to say the commission. My motto want to fẹ́ nu bàtàrà wọn jẹ́ lè bá tèmi jẹ́ àwọn abatẹnijá bá tech people. I buy mọ́tò dẹ̀ kó lè wòtòwòtò wọ́n fẹ́ nu bá mọ́tò mi. Okay, now mọ́tò yẹn ò padà pa mí o. Ṣé ń gbọ́? Wọ́n ní àwọn ìbàdígbò ẹ̀jẹ̀ ògbówó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ṣe òun náà ló máa pa. Now that mọ́tò òun rèé o. I dey drive am inside rain. Na rain collect am no be say mo gbọ́jà ó ń lọ ní ọmọ òun lọ studio ọmọ wey to studio no be say bóyá mo fẹ́ lọ ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa. This hustle náà ni na studio. Music is business, okay? So now inside this music, I go see money buy times 10 in the motto here. I go buy jet. I go buy out. Now let you Ottawa London here. Mama only 10 out for Ottawa London. To buy motto lorry. Joke be me. Understand? I see that. I can't leave motto. I say I still need my life because God sent me. I still get many things what I want to do. I'm a God sent, you understand? You want to say Ọlọ́run wọn lè pa mí. Ikú kan lè pa mí. Mo ti lápájí understand? Tó bá gbàgbé lọ ṣàpájí o, èmi ti lápájí. Tó bá gbàgbé kó ṣàpárá jóná wọn náà mọ́. Torí tó bá pa ọ́ lè lọ jó ẹ náà mọ́, ràpá jóná náà wà. So mo ti ta orí ayé, kò sí kankan àrùn gidigba, kò sí kankan understand? Ikú Ọlọ́run nìkan. Ó dẹ̀ kẹ́kẹ́ tó múlù wá yìí. Ó dijọ́ tí iṣu tọ́tún, iṣu tútù tó gbìn bẹ́ẹ̀ tó tún tó ti sún tó ti jóná pátápátá tó tún wá wú èké ìtijọ́ ẹ̀gẹ́ tó mú wa Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè sọ pé no. Ọlọ́run ló ní yes, Ọlọ́run ló ní no. Ṣé ìgbọ́ kò sí ṣerú yín ó ti lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Mọ́tò yẹn máa rà mí ẹ̀rọ aláìsí sọ pé a máa ṣe ọdún yẹn àbí ìfàjà bẹ́ẹ̀ play music.
My people, open and don't watch the video. Indeed, God is faithful. When I see the motor as it damaged, the front just go pata. Ha! God is indeed faithful. I beg. This one a lesson for all of us out there. If we drive, make we dey drive small. We go definitely reach our destination. Even if we drive together like this thing where they waka small snail, we go still reach our destination. Make we no for this life, no hurry in life, oh my brother. Take on step. We thank God say nothing happen to her, and we thank God say na so you reach. Anyway, my people, now this one will bring for our entertainment news. Make una do well to like and share. Until we meet again for another entertainment news, make una stay safe. Una do.